Hey, Gypsy nurses. One of the great new features of our revamped website is the ability to save jobs for future applications. The easiest way to do this is to log in under your user profile and go to our job board. As you're looking at our job board and you find a job that you would like to apply to, click on it. And from there, you can save to favorites. You can add a note. Great job for future reference. And hit save. Go back to your account by going up to My Profile. And if you scroll down to Quick Links, you will see Save Job Postings. And there you have it. That job is saved for future reference.